What if your ears could speak? What if they uncover stories that reveal your medical history and alert us to our current state of health? Listen closely and become attuned to ear talk in my new FHT accredited live online interactive workshop launching May the 17th and 18th, 2025. Mental health matters to Microsystems therapies and training. I'm offering a free sponsor place to someone experiencing mental health difficulties on my new Attuning to Ear Talk workshop. Watch until the end of the video to find out details on how you can be selected without any questions asked or checks made regarding your mental health. I'm Anna Venables, an auricular acupuncturist, reflexologist and aromatherapist for over 25 years. I was a specialist substance misuse practitioner for the NHS for over a decade, and I'm a qualified specialist social emotional mental health teacher. I've treated thousands of patients with auricular acupuncture to bring about calm, relaxation, reduce pain and improve sleep. I've taught hundreds of holistic therapists, psychologists and mental health professionals how to master auricular acupuncture, as well as how to use seeds, magnets and acupressure to support the health and emotional states of their patients. Learning ear talk will provide an additional treatment modality to help you improve the health and well-being of your patients, alongside those you already offer and usual medical care. It is as if the ears can speak for and express themselves, said Dr. Li-Chun Huang, mother of auricular therapy. We can visually inspect the ears, gain feedback and learn their language to interpret the evidence-based meanings of the auricle or external ear and understand how they might indicate health. Doctors Romoli, Terry Oleson and Li-Chun Huang have all given us a compelling foundation of photographic cases and clinical controlled trials that help us determine our physical and mental health status through skin alterations, manifestations and tender testing on the external ear. Attuning to Ear Talk teaches you the art and science of Chinese and Western ear reading and beyond, teaching you to understand the language of the ears and exchange information as if you're engaging in a conversation with them. I will guide you to discover Microsystems therapies and training 7 skin alteration classifications of the auricle or external ear. You'll follow my step-by-step framework to recognise each skin alteration and its clinically researched indications for health. By the end of the course, you'll create a 1-page personalised, clinic-friendly reference guide to refer to and help inform your treatment planning. I will be giving you access to my real 3D colour ear photos from my ear gallery curated across 2 decades. You'll be invited to contribute your own ear photo to the group and add to our gallery as a learning opportunity to present a case study and apply your new knowledge. Just remember, the ears don't lie. You will even create your own personalised Attuning to Ear Talk digital flipbook as a detailed reference guide which includes Paul Naugier's inverted fetus pattern of body and brain map projected onto the ears, how the nerves innervate into the ear directly from the brain to gain fast results when treating patients with auricular therapy and acupuncture, and your very own Microsystems therapies and training 7 skin alteration classifications as a valuable aid memoir to consolidate your learning from the training. This is an excellent visual guide for you. Auricular therapy is an ideal tool to use with other treatment modalities like reflexology, where you can use 2 microsystems simultaneously together to interpret body and mind functions and enhance your treatment planning and treatment practice with powerful results. With auricular therapy, we effectively have a window to the brain, as Muriel Agnes puts it. You will understand how we are able to access deep regions of the brain via specific acupoints and reflex zones on the ear and how they relate to body parts and the brain in an inverted fetus pattern. We will explore some of the neurobiology of how auricular therapy works. For example, Romoli's functional MRI scans that reinforce the activation and deactivation of brain regions when using acupressure, palpation to tender test and find active points, or even acupuncture needles within the ears. Attuning to Ear Talk is taught live, offers interactive exploration with engaging step tasks, responsive teaching and live feedback using our Microsystems Therapies and Training Google Classroom. I even invite you to replicate Romoli and Oleson's randomised clinical control trials so that you can be a part of Microsystems Therapies and Training own experimental randomised controlled trial and add to the evidence base for the efficacy of visual inspection of the ears and its relation to the dysfunction and health status of body and mind. You will be contributing to the efficacy and evidence base of auricular therapy. Head over to my website www.mtat.uk to read more about Attuning to Ear Talk online training. This is live, interactive and supportive in small groups. Book a date to suit you. Microsystems Therapies and Training continues to support mental health. To request a sponsored free place on our Attuning to Ear Talk workshop, if you are struggling with mental health, subscribe on the website and leave me a message using the phrase Microsystems Therapies and Training supports mental health sponsorship in your subject line. Randomised regular draws will be made each time a workshop is run, and there's no need to explain your mental health difficulties.